I'm Andrew Phillips and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the felt seal on your clothes dryer's drum. So let's go ahead and get started.
The felt seal is basically a cushion that the drum right here rotates on, and it enables it to have a smooth and with no obstruction rotation. When that starts to go and the old one comes off, basically what you'll have is either this drum will start to get tight because it'll be getting caught up on the adhesive from the old seal, or it'll be metal on metal. I'm going to go ahead and show you on this particular one here. It's basically down to metal on metal because the old seal is completely worn off, and I'll show you what it sounds like.
Before you do anything, you always want to go ahead and unplug the machine. After you've unplugged it, you want to remove the front, so that way you can access this drum and the lip right here where that felt seal goes. Depending on your model, it's going to be a different way to remove it. That's why I'm not going to cover it. You can see here's the old seal. It's pretty much just falling off. So came right off. So we're done with that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to have to inspect it for any kind of adhesive or debris. That needs to be all clean, as well as the inside here of this drum. Make sure both surfaces are clean, so that way when we apply the adhesive and the new seal, there's nothing that's going to cause that to fail.
Normally right here is where that old seal was. This, I guess because of the metal on metal, rubbed it actually pretty clean, but normally there's adhesive on here as well. So we're going to take some goof off and a rag, just wipe all this off right here, and then as well as in here as well. Inside the drum, you can see this edge right here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to clean that as well. Just pretty much go all around, wipe all that down. This product here, Goof Off, is very good for removing and cleaning off any of that gunk. We'll spray that here on a rag. Go ahead and we're going to go all around the whole edge here and just wipe it off real good. Make sure that all the debris is gone, and we'll be right back.
Okay, everything has been cleaned real good. There's no debris or anything. Before you even attempt to apply the new one, you want to make sure that this is completely clean, completely dry, no grease, no grime, no adhesive or anything, because that will hinder the new adhesive from creating the tacky bond. So let's go ahead and open this up here, and I'll show you what's in it.
All right, this right here is the felt seal. Also comes with the adhesive. You can pick these up very inexpensive online. I believe this one here I got off Amazon for less than $17, but I'll put the actual price and everything along the bottom. And this is pretty universal. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the felt seal that you get. You also get this, which is the adhesive. And this adhesive here, basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and put it along the edge, allow it to set for approximately 1 minute till it starts to get tacky, and then you can then apply the felt seal, and that way it will adhere to that, and then that should take care of it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the adhesive along here. We're going to do a solid line going all around. Wait about a minute for this to begin to get tacky and dry, and then we can then take the felt seal and start applying it to it. I'm going to go all around, and we'll be right back to apply it. I have it going around the whole perimeter here. This stuff is very sticky, so try not to get it on your hands. But we're going to let it sit now for approximately 1 minute, and then we will be back to apply the felt seal to it. Gently applying this, working my way all around, pressing it firmly. Go all around here. Make sure it's adhering well, which it is. You can see there, it's all nice and applied. Everything is nice and tight on there. All right, well, everything is on there nice and solid. Now, after you put it on, you want to give that adhesive approximately 6 to 8 hours to properly dry before you go ahead and start using it again. So we're going to let it sit out here and dry, and then we'll put everything back together and fire it up in about 6 to 8 hours. So that pretty much wraps up this video on how to replace the felt seal on your drying machine's drum. I hope this video helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.